Hey, little lady.
Hi.
How you today?
Hi.
Good. Joe. Joe.
That's my papa name.
Is it Joe?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, them names out of the Bible.
What
Mm-hmm.
kind of dog is that?
Shih Tzu and Chihuahua.
Mm.
Cut that whining out.
Look, Raven.
I saw it swinging earlier.
Yeah, he jumped off here one time and was hanging. And I was talking to my friend said, hey man, your dog over there hung himself.
He was just sitting there too.
Yeah. Oh, he's something else. Stop that whining. You can't do what you want to do. Seems like he know that you recording him. Be quiet, Joe.
Oh, this a minute. Only a few seconds to go.
Yeah, knee baby.